party man. And the big we have cute them and be a dog. Me not tell a lie on them, bro. Rifle shot a blam them. Rifle shot a blam them.
Let's be honest. Fall off peeps, honestly.
Let's be honest, fall off. Half an text side and disrespect blood clot, walk and talk. The podcast are go down the blood clot here. Yeah, Jeffrey, make we talk about
old boy, start boy, we don't know you. We don't want to know you. We don't give a give you another father. You never talk about no father. CPR, paper film.
Damn! Where them call down on them. Rifle shot a blam them.
I found myself a cheerleader.
Farms don't know who don't know what it is.
Yeah.
What is his name? You can't miss it.
OMI at Omi.
You've
OMI.
you've done stuff, guys. It's done stuff to make it now. It's easy.
Yeah, we need to get rid of that culture. Now I'm preach.
So Omi, let's talk about it now, Omi. Because I asked the question earlier about the space and what you have seen and you see the trends and system now.
I could get rid of that dogs culture there. That is my strong opinion. If I would say I have one, get rid of that dogs thing. It not cute. I mean,
you think they're making an excuse for not trying to educate themselves properly?
Not even as a gimmick. It don't work. It don't work. And this is coming from coming from ex-police. So being an ex-cop, I would have seen like that were the two ex. You know, because I believe it's an experience. I would have seen the two sides of the fence, how life work, the exposure that I've gotten. I mean, I tell you, most of the most difficult people to deal with are the dunks people them. The most difficult people to deal with are most of the people who find themselves behind bars, who find themselves in trouble, is because them dunce. And dunce is not just academically. I mean, dunce, no reasoning ability, no problem solving skills, no emotional intelligence, just dunce. So we have to be careful of that dunce culture. They go come bite you.
Because when they even ask the question, what does dunce mean to you in music? They can't really give a good explanation. They can't give you a solid answer to say, okay, you know.
Bro, when a man saying dunce, you know, him dark, you know, there's no reasoning, there's no logics, nothing.
It is my way, there's no.
It doesn't make sense. And then when you put that out there now, and the younger generation coming up, see that and emulate that or think that that's something cool, we're going to end up with a society of dunks while Chinese 2-year-old are arithmetic.
It's crazy.
Invent machine where you can teleport. You understand? While they're there trying to improve the human race with their as with dunks.
Move up.
Get rid of that.
Get rid of the base.
Yeah, man.
And back to it now, you can't find.
I found myself a cheerleader.
Hey man, what do you think about the king of dancehall?
Okay. One king, one club. One tune, one crown. Exactly.
Thank you.
That's it.
In my generation where of cartel fans we tell you adamantly and vehemently say cartel are the king. So I don't know you. I will be in sure a lot and sometimes I like to call myself the three-time world champion, like Muhammad Ali, you know, cause remember, you know, we are world champion before we get locked up. While we incarcerated, we are world champion. And now we're out and we are world champion still. At three different era that, you know.
Alright, so let's look at catalog. We can look at these kings before you. I think there can be many kings.
Of course.
There is...
You have Burger King. You know what I mean? You have King Crab, where they go at Red Lobster. And they have the bigger Dancehall, of course.
You have Beenie Man.
You don't have no man. Oh, no.
I'm bad Indian man. I'm a running place man. I will decide who fi dead and who fi live man. As pretty as you see me man, I will decide anything there too. Enough things I tell you about man. So I don't want some people come play with me thing and feel something a joke thing about man. I want to take a suck your mother batty boy. You know man who you. Me have rifle with all of me batty boy. When me spend 3 points too much for it. Me have rifle with all of me. With drum belly pan it. Me stop fire clipper drum belly. God kill me for lie me I tell. And that's why I make every police and soldier come and malice me every time. Hear that bad man?
1 minute later.
This is Rowan Beckford, the youth we company internet and I talk about be about this and sitting is a youth. Me dey on me TikTok, me a TikTok youth, a clown thing me deal with. And just through me dey on me live and me say a girl platform if you see me name Lord God. And just through him and company and I tell me say he want to fuck me look like girl and then thing there. And me I tell him say me no deal with them thing there. You know what I talk though? Tell me say upon roadside there video record your thing. Me can give you drive by a tall rifle and a big matic. So me I say me not too scared and fear that and then nothing cause a cloud thing. Me feel say a toast him a toast. So me I tell him the truth me people. Me tell him say a me name bad Indian. You hear that? A tall rifle, big matic palm belly. And we respond to everything in which we not do nothing like that bad man. We just they are not easy cause if we did a bad people, we don't put we face on camera and then think them are youth. I just look where I look at clothes. I'm sorry if me make the JDF or JCF, if me make you feel offensive, I'm so sorry, please I'm asking you. I mean the type of youth.
Tell the people them see a big hole. Tell them that.
Me a big hole and me shouldn't do that.
I'm there yard and me hear some story and some things that irritate the fuck out of me. I tell you, understand, let me pray away. Now you have some elders in them days after them do all them time and serve the youths them of this country. And in them time now them feel relax. You have little youth now come out and antagonize the people them. I try to bumbuckle me the people them pay them all sort of tax, all sort of extortion, fuckery. To the elder them, cut off people light, cut off people water, and they don't own the bumper clyde. Yeah, them property them with the people them in, you know, but them want to control the people. You want to chop off someone faces, someone that you not even know. But violence begot more violence, so I can't even check that way neither. So I beg the youth them, yo, no one to serve them, man. Respect the elders and show them some respect now. In them days, you know, in them late days, make them live it out comfortable, man. You have youthful strength, but do some bumper clock work, no man, and help yourself. At Jamaica, this is not so much big car drive out on the road. That means some money there you can make. So, it's a bumper clock and the crap that you can do something for phone yourself. You have to stress an elder, but probably I'll live on pension. I probably not even have nothing at all because you don't know government system set, boy. Youth, now they're going to do better, be. Love the elder people, love the people in the whole, but especially love the fucking elders, them dog. You're walking in a bad man. Someone can't even control a woman, someone can't even control in a heart. Girl broken out in a ball and want to chop off your legs. What kind of bad man is you know? But you know what, come bumbucklad. Harass the elders, them will pay them dues already. You know them things piss me off, dog. And if you love the people them now, man. I have some people in a cash park, some youth on a cash park, especially when I hear about hard. I ask uno for chill.
a batty man. And him big we are cute them and obey dog. Me not tell a lie upon them, bro.
Off, peeps, honestly.
Let's be honest, fall off. Come on, make we talk it out. Let's be honest. People who don't see Jeffrey fall off to bumbo clock. Yeah, man. Jeffrey did try to size up himself with nightly fix. And he ended the day to blood clot. He end up come last in a race. Because Jeffrey start a film thing with Valiant them and in tech side. And from the tech side and disrespect blood clot walk and talk. The podcast go down the blood clot here. Yeah, Jeffrey, make we talk about it. You fall off. And you cannot size up yourself with nightly fix. None of blood clot all. You cannot size up yourself with nightly fix. Jeffrey, you have start. You have not finish. You only have blood clot start, you have no bumbo clot finish. And for you make your friend them this walkie and your tech side and you violate walkie too, your career fall off. The fix and lead. Let's be honest, get fucked. You know see, you come like you can't get an interview to blood clot. You come like you can't get an interview, brother. And it look like say, I did really Ramesh around your blood clotting car for Ramesh. Gone. He come like say, you think can't come back up a blood clot. He come like say, let's be honest, can't come back up, Jeffrey. You see me? Brother, you can't size up yourself with nightly fix. Me I tell you, you have start, you know, no blood clot finish. Nightly fix around 10 years straight. Brother, Jeffrey, me don't know what you go do for prove to it. Right now, say you can't take back the blood clot place like how you did have it. Couple months. You see me? Nightly fix around the place of that, brother, you have start, you know, no blood clot finish. But me even talk about the million views when nightly fix get Vybz Kartel. But Jeffrey, nightly fix any year with a bang. You never hear any year with a bang, and you know blood clot start here with a bang. So show me, what go happen? What got me now? Me tell you what your problem, Jeffrey. You too mix up. You come like a little girl. You love Tracy, you love Posey, you love blood clot, talky. That's your biggest problem. You see me? Your program is a mix-up blood clot program. And let's just your name, let's be honest, but it's a mix-up blood clot program, brother. You don't have no professionalism in your thing like how Harry and blood clot, the youth have you over blood clot nightly fix. You see me? You don't have no professionalism in your thing, bad man. Tell me, I tell you. There's a little, let me tell you, he's a groupie. He's a little groupie. He's a little blood clot. Yes, man, he's a little follower. Yeah. Me see a so good fella over there beat up himself. Him been bad and him no humble. Fella, go sit down. Go sit down, you little sour blood clot self and go bed. Go bed. You walk a smell Jeffrey, put every blood clot to Jeffrey. Go, there's a little batty follower. And that Jeffrey do follow back a blood clot artist. I feel like say that could have helped. Let's be honest, to be stable and solidify. Right now, let's be honest, look shaky. I tell you, let's be honest, look shaky right now. I don't know what you're going to do to fix this blood clot, Jeffrey. But you see, say, you did a try, run the race, but you end up blood clot come last. You come like Beenie. You take the crown too fast. You crown yourself. And don't make the blood clot people them crown you. That's your problem. You crown yourself too blood clot fast. That's why you not end up in at the end of the blood clot race. Nightly fix can lap your pussy wall and beat you with numbers. When you go see them the numbers there. You have to do it and show me. Remember me tell you that pussy wall.
Alkaline.
Your pussy wall, old boy, short boy, we don't know you. We don't want to know you. We don't give a fuck if you're not your father. You never talk about no father. Me, you never hear that talk about a father. Me never. Me know nothing about 7 years old on the papa. Me don't hear him. One day me hear him mention a father. Me hear him mention him granny and him mother and him little daughter. Not even him baby mother. Me don't hear him too mention, but him big up him baby mother. If you move your pussy wall, old boy, we are the funny. Move your pussy wall and go do something. Go do farm work or something. CPR, paper shrimp, half boil shrimp, give bumbo clot people, you money phone, baby mother. You want fuck use him and money fuck out him and baby mother pussy. But you want your white girl pussy way than him. Go find something, go pussy wall and go plant him or something. Move your pussy wall. Naya gang, move no pussy wall and go hunt. Oh no, never can Naya now the bumbo clot murder. I don't know what Naya gang that can bring back him man. No, no say no one Naya gang. Go find who kill the bumbo clot man. If I want no friend, sub him out. I move the pussy wall, cause now no make sense, you know. sound for the man, block you for the phone. Man, take off your name off because you're a bad man, the man get more traction for this song than you. The man cut you off because something turn on you. You have 10 points and the whole of you from down the sound, no bad man, no bumbo clat and big bass. And that's how you know a bus. Now you know a bus. Bad man don't kill no pussy wall. The pussy wall when him, the pussy wall boy, a paper shrimp. As a guru, cause you know everything about it, so I'm glad to you. I'm glad to you. Cause me kind of rate you, you know. Me kind of rate you, you know why me rate you, cause you help people. You know what's how you help them on camera. Help cause some people really need help. But you see right now, it's not like you know the pan, you know no goodness in your show. It look like a bus you want bus, you know. And you just find a way to bus in and use 4 people as leverage, you know. Talk about this, cause you know. You know when you yourself, you're not really unturned in the yacht. You know, say man take off your name off your CPR off your name and that alone I go put it our feelings naturally in the yacht. Because you are the right back, you know, you don't have no CPR on the name, you know. We don't know it's putting on yourself, you know. But we can't listen to that, you have you so far, we know that. We don't want that, because me and my friend then go start kick off. But imagine you run rocketing for the youth, the trend, the rank. Right now, you want that man, they will make you.
So me stuck in the narrow. When you make money enough, you see them fair, yeah. Broke dark, low, they see them no hair, yeah.
This can't start going on, you know. You make youth and you put money in it enough and take the whole narrative and the whole thing enough and the whole thing you take a pay money enough and family want money, child want money, grandfather want money, woman want money, cousin want money, you can't want money. Because you are calling people them bumbo card money, you know, you have no family, you know. And you might take it half and CPR half and name, you know. And me as a guru, we rate as a CPR. Low that you know, salon me, I tell you now, you have to tell me about your man. You have to make man. Salam. If I go and salam, I write pussy wall, you have to see a voice. Salam, you put it on your door. You tell me something about now, blood clot man. You have to tell me, I know me something more. You have to see me say, you have to make them kill you. With that money, because you don't know blood clot family, and with the host and bumbo clot friend. Now you black him to on his phone. Then have to tell me, say, now you black him. Me say, fan, now you take off the CPR off my name. He's done with now you, what is he receiving? How can you spend out the money, you know? Flying white girl and I'm catch it down there, you know. Every day in a white girl, that's what music in now, you know. So I think white girl have money, you know. White girl don't even look freckles they have, you know. I can't let him and turn him in a idiot and on a stacking, you know. I tell you the same drink and turn a stacking, you know. And now you're taking back all the tax and now, you know. Before you get here and come down, you depend on your war, all the family pay money, you know, all the money. You want them on kill a pussy class, you know, who family. Lego you with your fam, and the father have to move him pussy wall too.
God! It's me again! I don't know what's happening in my life.
The man like the same thing, that's why he told him a cuss. His daddy if you move your old pussy wall. Move your pussy wall, old boy, and move your pussy wall, where you come from? And you only bum buckle at phone and move your pussy wall. The whole of them can't blood you out, and now you can't find a who. You know you can't know how, when you grown and fit everybody talk about one leg and with blood clot murder, and now you can't get no vengeance for you. You know how to I don't be a fuck, you don't be a fuck, you know. When you move on the pussy wall. Man, you have bum buckle at traction and hype and cloud and money. And you fuck what you like dog. But nobody can gamble busted like how them a gamble now. None of the platform they can, if they ever start, they can't collect. Them if you don't start, they can't collect $1. And they know say pussy anyway, but they have to run that bum buckle. They have to run the money. You come and collect money per man behalf. You never link up family. You don't take up funeral one ball. And they know ask him and dead boy at that time go suck on the mother. Me no want me nah go join that. Me no say that about no SIP Shalom. RIP Shalom. No. A VIP Shalom. Go suck your mother with that. When did I go? Me know when me can the man say when me there me can get all of them money. Look how much money. How much money. How much money you wanna collect? Everybody have millions of dollars for that five money that when the man there, man make if one day when the man there only the run that viral there. One day if only the run the man so like how now run him all long for one day. Now I biggest thing in Jamaica, not even Salam. Not even Salam. Not even Vybz Kartel. We have big stuff in that day. And probably until now. If only the run it for one day. I look down now. Every day when we get up. I don't know a man know from blood clot Adam. I'm never up until when the man at the foundation and the man in the house. Some old boy, me when I tell the old boy, go suck your mother and go yard. Big man, him a fear this guy, I'm a PM. We're friend then, we CPR in there. And the grill and them catches pepper shrimp, half fry. And suck your mother. say you want to go hotel and go fuck out the man baby mother and buy KFC, man little bit and talk about let's get your blood clot, go look work pussy hole, you never work for your band. I talk about your own Airbnb and the internet and make you no lie and thief and fuck up and that's why nobody like you know, you don't lie and hype and thief. All I want to reach, I have this and every man, you know, they are big. And me when I come big. What kind of blood clot donkey cinco? Donkey say, well, I love you. Me I tell you to pussy clad. People are rich, and famous and have money. They are every man in a big. And me when I no money at all, me they are now, how can you reach the man? What kind of blood clot is up in this? If you don't have money, and they are so pussy clad. Una big Salvation Army to pussy clad. Not even Salvation Army. You know long me than the money. I won't have fish like you have so much money and carpet.
Well, if I time and I know weed and blab, only can rely upon the real one damn. When I eat from one.